Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable setting that will show you the legends icon when you aim at them. So in order to do this, we'll need to press on our settings button. From here click on the gameplay and then battlefield info. Now if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see show legends avatar when aiming at the target. So you can either disable it or enable it like that. And as I mentioned, what it does, it makes your enemies visible to you by an icon when you aim at them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.